Hello everyone, thank you for joining this video. In today's video we are going to discuss about how we can learn English language without learning grammar. Can you learn English language? Can you speak English language without learning grammar? Is it possible? Is it possible? Tell me. From my perspective, it is possible. We can learn, we can speak English language without learning grammar. Why? How? You know, you may have seen so many people who are able to speak English language without learning anything. They are just living in that environment, they are just listening English, they are observing, and they are speaking English language. Yeah, it takes time, but in the last they are able to speak English language. They can. So why we not? If I mean, we also can speak English language if we are not if we are not learning any type of grammar and many types of rules. So we also can learn English language, we also can speak English language without learning grammar. But how? you know it is possible just because of the environment. If a person who wants to learn English language, so he needs someone, he needs the environment. If there is an environment, and in that environment people are able to speak English language and they are speaking, and the person who is just listening to him and he's just observing him that what they are speaking, what they are talking about. So if he just keeps doing it, if he keeps doing it, this type of work, so he can learn English language, he can learn how to speak English language. Yes. So environment is very very important. If we have environment, we do not need to learn any type of rule, any type of grammar, nothing. We can speak English language with the help of that environment. But they should have knowledge, they should have perfect knowledge of English language, then we can learn perfect English language, right? So how we can learn English language? Because here we are not having any type of environment. So how we can make any something, how we can make environment, how? And how we can learn English language without learning grammar? So my friend, just search, find the person who is able to speak English language in your city, in your mohalla, in your village, anywhere. If a person who has knowledge about English language and he is speaking English language, so you should be there. If you want to learn English language, you should be there, and you should just observe him, you should just speak with that person, you should talk to him, and you should make him friend, and you can learn English language with the help of that person, even without learning any type of grammar, rule, nothing, right? So if you do not want to work much harder, then you can just live in that environment, you can just you can observe those people and you can speak English language, you can learn. Okay. So if I talk about village area, because in village area no one speaks English language, there are so many people who are learning English language, who are learning how to speak English language, and they have to face a lot of problems while learning English language. Why? Because there is no any type of environment, they are alone there, and they are just learning alone. So they can learn with their own self. But if they will go outside, so there will be the same people who are speaking their mother tongue, and the person who is learning English language, he will have to just listen those people, and he will have to face these type of problems because he cannot listen English language at there. Okay. So environment is very important. If we have environment, there is no need to learn anything, we can learn English language, we can learn how to speak English language without any type of thing, without any type of grammar, rules, nothing. We can learn. And that is why there are so many people who are able to speak English. Like you may have seen many places, people are just speaking English language without learning anything, without learning grammar, without learning any rule, nothing, but they are able to speak. So that's why I'm saying that we also can learn English language if we have an environment. Okay, so what a role, I mean, it performs if there is an environment. So we can speak English language, we can learn English language easily, there is no any type of problem. But if I talk about the people who are living in village area and they want to learn English language, so they have to face a lot of problems, because there is no one who could tell them what is wrong and what is right. And there is no one who can speak English language. In my village also there is no one except of me. I am learning English language, and I never ever, you know, I never ever told, I never ever mentioned this thing like I am learning this kind of things, and no one knows about this type of things whatever I'm doing right now. Yes, so I do because I like it. In my village there are so many people who want to learn, but they are not so interested, they are not so much interested in it to learn it and to speak it. But now day by day I'm speaking sometimes with my friends, so my friends also, you know, want to learn English language. So now I'm just learning and I'm speaking sometimes with each other. Yeah, we are learning each other. So in this way we can learn English language, and we can become a fluent speaker as well after some time if we speak English language every single day with friends. Because speaking with someone more better, speaking with someone is more better than speaking alone. Yes, and I speak alone, so that's why my English is poor, and I am improving. Okay, I'm improving. So this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope this video will be little bit helpful for you. Thank you for watching.